this is very concerning news that is coming in from Nepal. The parliament security has been breached and it has been set on fire. Fire breaks out at the parliament building in Baneshwar is what we're learning. These are, in fact, we will be showing you the visuals coming in from Nepal as far as this vandalism and arson by the protesters are concerned. Remember, since yesterday, since day one, the protesters there were trying to breach the security of the Parliament of Nepal, but they failed to do so. But those are the visuals coming in from Kathmandu that you can see on the screen, and these are of, in fact, the area where this incident has taken place. We're learning that the Parliament has been set on fire. As I told you, yesterday on day one, they attempted to do this. They tried to scale over the wall of the Parliament, but there was tear gas shelling that happened there, and they were pushed back by the police there at the spot. But on day two, we're learning that the protesters climbed the wall of the Parliament. They went inside and they attempted to set it on fire. The Parliament of Nepal has been set on fire. The security has been breached by the protesters. It appears that the protesters have outnumbered the police there, and hence the situation has unfolded there. Very concerning visuals coming in from Nepal, where the Parliament has now been set ablaze. And this is not just happening in Kathmandu, but several other districts in Nepal are on fire. Several houses of the ministers, they have been set ablaze by the protesters. Several ministers have resigned, but the anger on the streets of Nepal, the anger is palpable, and those are the visuals that show you the gravity of the situation there. The Parliament of Nepal has been set ablaze, and you can see how the protesters there are they are resorting to stone pelting at the army and the police officers there at the spot. Yesterday they tried to break through the barricades, and today they in fact scaled the wall and got inside the Parliament, and they have set that on fire. We'll try and get you a ground update as far as this incident is concerned, but there's massive anger on the streets of Nepal. The anger is palpable, and these are the concerning visuals coming in from Kathmandu, where Nepal Parliament this time has been set on fire. We've been showing you visuals of protesters setting the houses of ministers on fire since morning. The first one being the former Prime Minister, whose house was set ablaze. And just a while back, we got very concerning visuals from one of the districts in Nepal, where the private residence of the Prime Minister Oli has been set on fire. He does not live there, but that shows you how grave the situation there is and how much anger there is on the streets of Nepal. The number one demand of the protesters is the resignation of the Prime Minister, and second one is that he should leave the country. And in fact, you can see on the screen how few of them are holding the sticks in their hand. They set the entire structure on fire. The vehicles have been set on fire there, and the protesters are raising the demand seeking for the resignation of the Prime Minister. And it is only then that they will stop the vandalism, the arson. But very concerning news that we are getting in right now is that the Parliament of Nepal has also been set on fire. The protesters there